Hello friend. Some of the most common questions is how can I restrict access to the entire website, to all URLs on my website, but allow only few for my visitors. And in this video, I'll show you how to accomplish this objective. Well, first of all, you need to have a premium complete package add-on that you can purchase on our amportal.com website by going to Premium, About, and here you can buy it. Now, the first thing what we're going to do is go to AAM and switch to Manage Visitors. And we're going to use URL Access Service for this. We create a first rule. So we're going to create a rule, a wildcard rule, to restrict access to all URLs. And now we're going to create a few rules that just allow it. Let's say hello there URL or a home page. And that's it. Now all your visitors can only access hello there URL and a home page. All other URLs will be denied. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.